Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Total Health Turnaround, where we do the research on all things health, wellness, and nutrition and deliver it to you right here. Let's dive right in. Plastics have become an ever-present part of modern life, but their impact on our health is a hidden concern. Let's delve deeper into the dangers of ingesting plastics. Plastics often contain harmful chemicals like BPA and phthalates. These chemicals can act as endocrine disruptors, mimicking hormones in our bodies. The result? Hormonal imbalances that can affect reproductive health, metabolic function, and may even contribute to conditions like PCOS and infertility. Polycystic ovarian syndrome is a condition in which the ovaries produce an abnormal number of androgens, male sex hormones that are usually present in women in small amounts. Plastic particles can irritate the sensitive lining of our digestive tract, potentially leading to discomfort, inflammation, and chronic gastrointestinal issues such as irritable bowel syndrome. Plastics can release toxic compounds, especially when exposed to heat or sunlight. These toxins can find their way into our bloodstream, potentially causing harm to vital organs like the liver, kidneys, and even the nervous system. Microplastics, those tiny, nearly invisible plastic particles, are all around us in our water, air, and even in our food. These minuscule particles can accumulate in our bodies over time, raising concerns about long-term health effects. Emerging research suggests that plastics may compromise our immune system's function, leaving us more susceptible to infections and illness. To better understand the specific damage plastics can cause to our bodies, let's explore some of the potential health consequences. Plastics have been associated with cardiovascular issues, potentially increasing inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, both of which are factors for heart disease. Inhaling dust particles from the air, often found in dust and microplastics, can lead to respiratory problems. This is especially concerning individuals with pre-existing conditions like asthma. The impact of plastic exposure on neurological health is a growing concern. It may affect brain health and cognitive functions, with potential implications for conditions like Alzheimer's disease. Although more research is needed, there are concerns that certain plastics may contain carcinogenic substances, raising questions about their role in cancer development. Now that we understand the risks, let's explore practical steps to reduce plastic ingestion in our daily lives. Swap out plastic containers for glass or stainless steel alternatives for food storage and reheating. Replace your plastic cutting boards with wood. They are non-toxic. When shopping for clothing, prioritize natural fibers like cotton, hemp, or wool. These materials shed fewer microplastics during washing, reducing environmental and personal exposure. Bid farewell to single-use plastic items such as straws, utensils, and shopping bags. Opt for reusable alternatives made from sustainable materials like bamboo, metal, or cloth. Invest in a high-quality water filtration system to remove potential plastic contaminants from tap water, ensuring cleaner and safer hydration. Replace plastic kitchen utensils with wooden, bamboo, or stainless steel options. Not only are these safer for food preparation, but they're also more durable. Purchase food items in bulk to reduce packaging waste and minimize plastic use. Remember to bring your own reusable containers or bags when shopping. Before we wrap up, here is a list of 20 things you can do to reduce your daily use of plastics. Always carry reusable shopping bags to avoid using plastic bags at the store. Use stainless steel or bamboo cutlery instead of single-use plastic utensils when dining out or ordering takeout. Use glass containers for food storage and meal prep instead of plastic containers. Carry reusable stainless steel or bamboo straws to skip disposable plastic ones when enjoying your favorite beverages. Invest in reusable stainless steel or glass water bottles to reduce single-use plastic bottle consumption. Replace disposable paper napkins with cloth napkins for meals. Choose bar soap instead of liquid soap in plastic bottles. Buy items like grains, nuts, and snacks in bulk using your own reusable containers or bags. Avoid prepackaged fruits and vegetables and instead select loose produce when grocery shopping. Consider shopping at bulk stores that offer products without packaging. Some stores have refill stations for cleaning products, soaps, and detergents, allowing you to refill your containers. Create homemade cleaning solutions to reduce reliance on plastic packaged cleaners. If you have young children, opt for cloth diapers instead of disposable ones. Shop for secondhand items like clothing, furniture, and electronics to reduce the demand for new plastic packaging. Use traditional metal razors with replaceable blades instead of disposable plastic razors. Use cloth bags or mesh produce bags for fruits and vegetables instead of plastic bags at the store. Look for cosmetics and toiletries in glass or metal containers rather than plastic ones. Reduce plastic waste associated with solo car trips by carpooling or using public transport. Carry a reusable coffee mug to your favorite cafe instead of using disposable cups. And finally, choose products from companies committed to eco-friendly packaging and materials. We hope this exploration into the dangers of ingesting plastics and ways to avoid them has been eye-opening and informative. Every small change in your daily routine can make a significant difference in your overall health and the well-being of our planet. Please focus on avoiding the ingestion of plastics whenever possible. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I really do appreciate your kind support. Please do leave a comment below and let me know what videos you would like to see in the future. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.